Everyone talks about faster robots, smarter robots, more powerful AI, but what if the real breakthrough has been sitting at the end of the robot's arms this whole time? I'm talking about one XNEO's brand new robotic hands. The first time I watched these demonstrations, one thing became obvious. This isn't just another humanoid robot opening and closing its fingers. The level of control is on a completely different level. Each hand has 25 fully actuated degrees of freedom, including a flexible 3DOF wrist. That sounds technical, but what matters is what it actually allows NEO to do. The hands don't just move, they respond. As soon as NEO makes contact with something, it can sense pressure, feel when an object begins to slip, and adjust its grip before losing it. That's much closer to the way people naturally handle objects every day. And once you see the demos, it starts to make sense. It picks up tiny screws one by one. It sorts grapes without crushing them. It plugs in a USB-C cable. It installs a light bulb. It handles a screwdriver with surprising confidence. It rotates objects in its palm and even zips up a jacket. One clip even shows it catching a soft ball. Most of those jobs sound completely ordinary until you remember that they're incredibly difficult for a robot. Tiny changes in pressure can mean the difference between success and dropping everything. What really caught my attention is that these hands don't sacrifice strength for precision. They can lift a 20-pound weight, push loaded objects around, and then immediately switch back to handling small, delicate items. That's a difficult balance to achieve, and it's something we haven't seen very often in humanoid robots. Then there are the details that don't usually make the headlines. The hands are IP68 rated, so they're sealed against water and dust. They're also food safe, which opens the door to everyday kitchen tasks. Think about that for a second. A robot preparing food, washing its own hands afterward, and moving on to the next chore without needing someone to clean it first. That feels a lot closer than most people probably expected. There's another reason this announcement matters. According to 1X, these hands have already gone through millions of testing cycles, so they're not just designed to look impressive during a demo, they're being built for daily use. What I find especially interesting is that the hardware seems to be ahead of the software. As NEO continues receiving over-the-air updates, these same hands could learn entirely new skills without being replaced. In other words, today's demonstrations may only show a fraction of what they'll eventually be capable of. For years, humanoid robots have needed hands that were precise, strong, durable, and safe enough for everyday life. 1X looks like it's getting remarkably close to that goal. Now I'm curious what you think. Would you actually trust 1X NEO to help around your home? Or do you think we're still a few years away? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy following the latest breakthroughs in robotics, subscribe and stick around. There's a lot more coming, and this is only the beginning.